Science is on the verge of reaching a completely different dimensional level. Stay tuned to see these revolutionary inventions you need to see. Want to know what the future will look like? Check this out. Intelligent wearable robotics is revolutionizing the way people in dangerous situations can work more safely and effectively. This innovative system features a modular power pack that generates compressed air to power the system, providing exceptional flexibility to adapt to the specific needs of each mission. In addition, the artificial intelligence-driven control software can dynamically adapt to the user's movements, providing power when needed and minimizing interference at other times. The pneumatic device, which converts air pressure into usable torque on the body, is a key part of this technology. Located on the user's legs, it not only facilitates the transfer of energy, but also provides stability and support to the knees, allowing for safer and more comfortable movement in challenging environments. Its modular design allows it to easily adapt to a wide range of missions and scenarios, from disaster relief to maintenance in hazardous industrial environments. In addition, its lightweight functionality ensures that users can benefit from additional performance without being limited by the weight or bulk of heavy equipment. And that's just the beginning, because the next invention will redefine the possible and the impossible. The Max Space Expandable Habitat represents a significant advancement in space exploration and colonization. Its ability to deploy in a single launch, without the need for multiple trips to assemble the structure, promises to significantly reduce the costs associated with building habitats in space. This efficiency in transportation and assembly is critical to making space exploration more accessible and sustainable in the long term. In addition to its innovative deployment method, the habitat incorporates advanced design features to ensure safety and functionality in the harsh environment of space. The use of materials such as Kevlar, which is resistant to micrometeorite impacts, demonstrates a comprehensive approach to protecting the habitat's occupants and equipment. Once deployed, the expandable habitat becomes a versatile orbital operations center. The presence of an airlock allows spacecraft to dock for the delivery of supplies, crew transfer, or even the collection of resources and manufactured products in space. And this is just the beginning of our technological adventure, so get ready for experiences that will change your perception of innovation. It's time to talk about REM, an innovative solution for urban sports enthusiasts on wheels, offering a new way to move that combines power, efficiency, and comfort. With its foldable design, the REM propulsion stick is easy to transport and store, making it an ideal accessory for daily commutes and weekend adventures. The 3,000-watt brushless motor not only provides the power needed to climb steep inclines, but also ensures smooth and powerful acceleration. This allows users to maintain precise and safe control even on challenging terrain. The high-grip polyurethane wheel maintains firm contact with the surface for improved stability and traction. The 44.4-volt battery and the 12S2P configuration with Molicel P42A cells offer an unmatched combination of power and durability. With the ability to travel over 20 kilometers or 13 miles on a single charge, REM ensures that users can enjoy long skating sessions without worrying about running out of power. The carbon fiber stick not only provides lightness and strength, but also adds a touch of sophistication to REM's design. We've only scratched the surface, because what comes next is so revolutionary, it's straight out of a science fiction movie. This airplane, a revolutionary invention you must see, is made possible by the central rotors lifting from behind the center of gravity to tilt the airplane forward, while the upper and lower rotors are angled to lift in front of the center of gravity to tilt the airplane backward. This pitch design and control are what make the Skypack so unique and allow for a wide variety of applications. The ability to interact with objects in flight opens up a number of possibilities, such as inspections or maintenance in hard-to-reach areas. For example, the Skypack can be used to inspect power lines, bridge structures, or wind turbines where manual access is difficult and dangerous. In addition, the Skypack's clear field of view and ability to fly into normally inaccessible areas are invaluable to search and rescue teams. In emergency situations where every second counts, the Skypack's speed of deployment and ability to reach victims trapped in remote or dangerous locations can mean the difference between life and death. Its advanced design also allows it to carry medical supplies or essential tools directly to affected areas. If that surprised you, get ready, because the next one will not only leave you speechless, but off track as well. CXC Simulations, the leader in personal racing simulation, has taken the off-road racing simulation experience to a new level with its latest product, the Motion Pro Truck. This full-motion simulator provides an extremely realistic off-road racing truck driving experience that puts the user in the driver's seat of an authentic vehicle. The Motion Pro truck not only mimics the appearance of a top-level off-road racing truck, but also reproduces its structure and dynamics. The engineers at CXC Simulations designed the chassis and body of the simulator based on a real off-road racing truck and adapted it to function as a full-motion simulator. This ensures that every detail, from handling to vehicle response, is as authentic as possible. Precision in motion simulation is essential to creating a realistic driving experience. The Motion Pro truck achieves this through an advanced motion system that provides fast, high-frequency motion up to 3 feet. This allows the simulator to faithfully reproduce the sensations of jumps, flights, landings, turns, and drifts experienced in a real off-road race. We can't stop talking about this next invention that promises to completely change our understanding of technology. Crescelion is leading the race to the future of air transportation with its innovative design of electrical vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL aircraft. Their approach goes beyond simply creating aircraft. They are redefining how people and cargo move in urban and interurban environments. At the heart of their vision is Fly-Free technology, a futuristic propulsion system that delivers exceptional safety, stability, and agility in all phases of flight. Thanks to sophisticated rotor control software, Fly-Free enables precise control of the aircraft in all directions, even in the most challenging weather conditions. This technology not only makes flying safer, but also more comfortable and efficient for passengers. Crazy, right? Well, wait until you see what's next, because the following invention is even more amazing. Sirocco Live is an innovative tool that goes beyond simple route planning for ships. With its multi-objective approach and real-time optimization capability, it represents a significant advance in the operational and environmental efficiency of the maritime industry. By using a digital twin of the ship, Sirocco Live can anticipate and respond to changing sea conditions. This means it not only calculates the most efficient route in terms of fuel consumption and carbon emissions, but can also adapt in real time to changes in climate, ocean currents, and other variables. In addition, the platform provides an intuitive interface for the crew, providing clear and detailed information on the recommended route, estimated fuel consumption, and other relevant data. This allows crew members to make informed decisions and adjust navigation as needed to maximize efficiency and minimize environmental impact. If you thought that was incredible, wait until you see the next one, which will make you rethink everything you thought was possible. HoloConnex is not only leading the transformation to a more sustainable and technologically advanced future, it is redefining how businesses interact with their customers and the general public across a wide range of sectors. From hospitality to virtual medicine, retail engagement to education, HoloConnex offers innovative solutions that take full advantage of holographic technology. Imagine walking into a hotel and being greeted by a holographic projection that provides information about hotel services and local attractions, or attending a virtual medical event where healthcare professionals can interact with holograms of human organs for more immersive learning. Even in the retail world, HoloConnex is changing the way brands connect with consumers, offering unique and interactive shopping experiences through holograms that display products in 3D and provide detailed information with a touch. If you thought that was impressive, wait until you see the next one, a true technological marvel that will amaze you even more. The beauty of the Triton 660 Ava submarines lies in the flexibility offered by their ultra-spacious interiors. Operators can use this space to provide unprecedented experiences that will surprise and delight even the most discerning guests, even when not sailing near a prime dive site. Operators benefit from greater utilization of their submarine, while guests enjoy a much richer and more satisfying experience. This kind of versatility opens a new horizon for the use of submarines, transforming them from mere exploration tools into platforms for unique events and entertainment. The Triton 660 Ava series uses revolutionary advanced versatile acrylics, Ava, to create the world's first submarines with a free-form acrylic pressure hull. This innovative design not only provides an unobstructed panoramic view of the underwater world, but also allows for an interior configuration that can adapt to a wide range of activities and events. These unique and expansive spaces offer considerable flexibility for organizing experiences previously unimaginable in a submarine. Imagine offering cocktails and receptions in an underwater setting where guests can enjoy drinks while observing marine life through transparent walls. I bet more than one invention has blown your mind. If you're hungry for more, check out the rest of our videos and stay tuned for future content.